Here are 30 nature-inspired rabbit names for your video, along with explanations of how these names capture the adventurous spirit of your bunny. Willow, a name that invokes the image of a graceful and swaying tree, fitting for a lively rabbit. Meadow, reflecting open fields and natural beauty, perfect for an exploratory bunny. Rocky, ideal for a rabbit that loves hopping around and exploring rocky terrain. River, evoking the flowing and dynamic nature of water, suitable for an active rabbit. Forest, a strong and earthy name for a rabbit that's in tune with its surroundings. Summit, inspired by mountain peaks, representing your rabbit's determination and spirit. Brook, gentle and serene, just like the calmness of a babbling brook. Fern, a delicate and graceful name, reminiscent of the lush undergrowth. Canyon, reflecting the depth and mystery of your rabbit's personality. Hiker, a name that embodies adventure and exploration, perfect for an active bunny. Daisy, charming and cheerful, like the sunny flower in a field. Everest, symbolizing ambition and determination, great for a spirited rabbit. Willow, a name that conjures images of grace and flexibility, fitting for a playful bunny. Scout, inspired by the curious and observant nature of a scout in the wilderness. Pine, reflecting strength and endurance, ideal for a robust and active rabbit. Ember, evoking the warmth and energy of a campfire, suitable for a lively bunny. Aurora, inspired by the magical northern lights, a name for a rabbit with a captivating presence. Timber, a rugged and outdoorsy name for a strong and adventurous bunny. Whisper, reflecting the gentle sounds of nature and your rabbit's quiet charm. Summit, fitting for a rabbit that's determined and always striving for new heights. Pebble, cute and endearing, perfect for a small and agile bunny. Meadow, a name that conjures images of open fields and natural beauty. Blaze, inspired by the intensity and energy of a wildfire, great for an active rabbit. River, reflecting the flowing and dynamic nature of water, suitable for a playful bunny. Aspen, named after the elegant and quivering aspen trees, fitting for a gentle rabbit. Wren, a delicate and lively name, just like the cheerful songbird. Canyon, evoking the depth and mystery of natural formations, ideal for a curious bunny. Luna, inspired by the moon's beauty and allure, a name for a captivating rabbit. Fern, reflecting the lush and vibrant undergrowth, perfect for a lively bunny. Everest, symbolizing ambition and the thrill of adventure, great for a daring rabbit. These nature-inspired names bring a sense of outdoor wonder and exploration to your bunny's character.